Hello everybody, this is Red Shark, and today I'm just going to be doing a short video, but I'm going to wish for Adventurine. I really want him, like really badly. And I have at least a 70 pity, so let's just hope that I can get him. Tenpole. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, it's a 5-star, it's a 5-star. Please! With everything I have, please be Adventurine. Please, 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 please. Yes! Oh my gosh! Oh. And Serval. I am so happy right now. I'm still gonna wish for him though. I am so happy I got him. I am so happy. I don't want her. I want more of him. Alright, another tenpole, people. It's not a 5-star, but hey, that's okay. Oh, I am so excited. I got him. I'm gonna do all my tenpoles because I got him and I want all of his. I want more. That's a book that Arlen's in. I'll take another character. Luca, I'll take that. I mean, overall, it's not bad. What is this? Secret Vow. Not bad. But I would take another Adventurine, to be honest. It's not a 5-star, but that's okay. Even so, I would be happy with a 5-star. Or just any characters in general. What am I getting? What am I getting? Oh, I have that already. Just that one book? That's okay, though. Should I try to go for his book? I'll do one pull on all of his. I'm just skip it. Oh, I got hooked. Not bad, man. But I don't want to waste it on books. I want more him. Please, please, please. Please, please. 5-star! 5 stars, another 5-star. Please, please, please be him. Get out of here, pom-pom. Please, please, please be another Adventurine. Oh yeah, baby! And Lynx. Overall, not bad. I got him again. Super happy right now, guys. I kind of want her, so I'm going to throw some pulls on her since I already have Adventurine. I'm probably not going to be able to get her. Another Serval. Dan Hong. Alright, it's my last 10 pull. I'll watch this one. Anything good? Nope. Another Luca. And we'll do the last few pulls on this. And I don't want to watch each one. Please give me his book. I'd appreciate his book. I don't want her book. Oh, come on. Not what I'm wanting. Wait. Let me see if I can exchange any embers. I'll take all 5. And I'll take all 5. What else Starlight exchanges? Oh, yeah. I can do another 10 pull, guys. 10 pull. Please. No. How many do I have of these? Only 3. I'll just get them over with. It'd be cool if I could get another 5-star, but that's not gonna happen. Okay, well, I am extremely happy with how that turned out. Who is it? You. Let's take a look at your Elodians.
You mustn't cling to the past.
Lynx.
Everyone needs some time alone.
I only got one of... Wait! Hook is a wait, do I already have Hook?
Hook's ready to find the next treasure.
Nice. Let's go.
Not bad.
Nice.
Well, I am
Let's go.
very, very happy with how that turned out. My baby, he's home. Ah! I am so happy right now. What kind of light cones do I have? What would be the best one for him? Well, I don't use you anymore, March. So he can have this. For right now, I'm just going to give you recommended gear. For Nickelodeon. Yes!
Give me a single die and watch me turn the tables.
Okay. Oh, look at him. He's beautiful. We're going to level this boy up.
That's all? Well, it's settled then. I'm going all in.
I love this man. I probably won't have enough. Yeah. Ew. Well, I'm going to work on leveling him up in another time. Not now. Let me just do that last poll and then. Because right now, I'm super happy. So. Oh, let's put this one. Imagine if I got a 5-star. Okay, I gotta get him on this team. I need to see him. 9. You. We're just gonna make it a bunch of cute guys.
Keep to yourself, gambler, and spare me the false display of concern.
Any other cute guys in here? Man, I have so many girls. Well, I guess you don't get to go in there. You can fit in there. Okay. Ah, got him! Oh, I'm so happy. Aptitude showcase. He's beautiful. I love him. Okay, so I'm very happy with how that turned out. I'll claim those. Look at him. He's beautiful. Hello. Ah, he's gorgeous. Please. Oh, I'll take that. Assignments. Claim all. Dispatch again. Because I'm never using any of those characters. I'm just so happy right now. I got my baby. He's home. I'm gonna have to work on getting stuff to level him up. Because he deserves a little bit more. And I gotta give him more stuff for his relics. Alright, well that's the end of this video. Just happy to see that I was able to get a little bit. I was able to get the boy I wanted. Look at this handsome little man. Oh la la. But 2 tall guys and 2 short guys. They're the same height, but yeah. I just can't. He's beautiful. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.